way I used to build credit was good before, but it don't work no more. YouTube, what is going on? Upper Echelon Capital. This video is about how I used to build credit versus how I build credit now for my clients, for our organization. The way I used to build credit was good before, but it don't work no more. So let's get into it. The way I used to build credit for people when, they wanted to go from like nothing to a 700 credit score, right? And go ahead and start getting personal funding, personal credit cards, lines of credit, whatever the case. I used to do it this way. I used to have them add 2 to 3 credit builders, Kickoff, Ava, Grow Credit, the Magnum credit card, Credit Strong. I used to have them add those like 2 to 3. Then I would have them add an authorized user trade line. Authorized user trade line, all right? If you don't know what that is, I'll make sure that topic's another video. Outside of that, I would have them do that, 2 to 3 of those credit building primaries, 1 AU, and then from there, I will also have them go ahead and apply for 2 credit union credit cards, all right, at local credit unions near them. That was like 20, that would give them like a limit between 2,500 to 5,000. And once they had all of that reporting, now I would have them go for the business funding now, and we would get together on it. But the game has changed, y'all. Lenders have changed, bankers have changed, all right? I just got off a call not too long ago with Fifth Third Bank, literally talking about all the changes, how they underwrite in personal credit applications. So now I want to be able to talk to y'all about why this is different now. I want to give y'all the game on why this is different now and what we doing differently. All right. If y'all rocking with us, Upper Echelon Capital, all right, you can lock in with us, contact us. We have sales reps. We have people ready to help you. All right. We have people ready to take consultations. If you need help fixing or building your credit or getting funding, I want y'all to like, subscribe, hit the notification bell, make sure this video reach the masses. All right. Because what I'm about to talk about, there's nobody on YouTube really talking about it in the way I'm talking about it. So what I'm doing now, the way I'm building credit now, it's going to be like this. You're going to need on your credit profile, if you want the maximum personal funding and you want to go for business funding, the key is you want to have accounts that are going to report like you've been paying on them for a long time. You want to have at least 2 accounts on your personal credit that are primary trade lines, meaning those are trade lines that are in your name. And you want that to have at least 6 months of payment history. You want 2 primary trade lines on your credit report with at least 6 months of payment history. The way I accomplish this is I will simply just have the client add Rent Reporter, okay? And I will have them Ava Finance, all right? I have them add Ava Finance because Ava gives you 2 trade lines at once, all right? Ava's gonna give you a credit builder trade line. It's gonna be like a credit card. That's how it reports to your credit report. And they report a rental trade line as well with BoomPay. So Ava partnered with BoomPay, which is a rent reporting company, to help you report rent to your credit report. If you do it right and you get a ledger or obtain a ledger from your apartment building, or you can make one on ChatGPT, you can upload it to BoomPay, you can upload it to Rent Reporters. You can upload 2 years worth of payment history, all right? And what it's gonna do is it's going to literally give you 24 months of backdated payment history. 24 months of payment history will be reported to your credit report. Mind you, the banker told me you only need 6 months of on-time payment history reporting on 2 personal accounts that you have. These 2 personal accounts that I'm telling you to add, these 2 rent reporters, Ava, which is partnered with BoomPay, right? Go ahead and add. So BoomPay and rent reporters, right? These rental trade lines are going to report 24 months. Instead of 6 months, they're going to report 24 months. Instead of half a year, they're reporting 2 years of on-time payments to your credit report. Once you get that done, the next thing you're going to do, you want to just make sure that you get the Ava Finance credit builder and make sure in the Ava app, you go ahead and connect BoomPay. All right. So it's going to give you the rental and it's going to give you the regular primary trade. So you got the Ava for the credit builder, you got BoomPay, and you got Rent Reporters for the rental trade lines. So we got 3 primaries, right? He said 4 primaries. So the 4th primary that you're going to add to your credit report, you can go ahead and add Kickoff. So Kickoff will report up to $3,500 as a revolving credit card to your credit report. It's a virtual card. It is not a physical card they send you in the mail that you're going to go ahead and spend on. No, because they know people like y'all going to go ahead and spend that money and y'all going to max out the balance. So no, they just made it so it help you build credit and it's never going to hurt you. That's why it's a virtual card. So you're going to add that on your credit report. The Kickoff is going to report up to $3,500. All you got to do is pay $35 a month. It's called like the elite plan, platinum plan, something like that. It's the highest plan. Or you can get the one that reports $2,500 a month, but $25 per month. Make that decision, know how much money you got. But anyway, so you got Kickoff, that's going to report a high limit primary trade line. You got Ava, that's going to report another high limit primary trade line. Ava usually going to report 1,000 to $2,500 on your credit. No credit check needed. You just link your bank account. So these two, all right, those two are primary trade lines. Then you got Rent Reporters and you got BoomPay, which are going to report 24 months of on-time payment history to your credit report on each account. So now you have a total of 4 primary trade. So you go ahead and do that. Last thing you're going to do, go ahead and add an authorized user trade line. You can go to tradelinegenie.com, pick a trade line that's at least 10 to 15 years old. You can go ahead and buy one and just add it to your credit profile. When you order it, it's going to ask for your social and your information so you can add it to your credit profile. So look for one that's at least 10 years old. We're in the year 2025 and it's November. So you want to look for one on the list that's November of 2015 or older. You see how that works? Go ahead and do that. So you got your authorized user trade line and you have your 4 primaries. When they all report to your credit, you good to go. You can go ahead and do whatever you want as far as personal funding or business funding plays. If you need help with this, because I know how to apply for it correctly so y'all can get the maximum approvals, go ahead and just reach out to us. You can reach out to us by contact under this video. Go ahead and talk to one of our reps. They'll get your information. They'll get you in it. All right. If you need to build credit, they do one-on-one calls where you can build credit. They'll take you through all the credit building stuff you need to do. They'll hold your hand through it. They'll hold your hand through signing up for the websites and everything. All right. If you need to purchase any rental trade lines to add to your credit report, to build your credit, Telegram Marketplace, all right, that information will be in the description. All right. So if you need the rental trade lines, you need to get that set up. So I'm giving you literally every resource that you need, all right, in order to go ahead and build your credit the right way in 2025. This is how you want to get approved wherever you go. So I appreciate everybody tapping into this video. I just wanted to be very personal and let you know, like, I made my mistakes. I hopped on a call with a banker because a client got declined because I thought the score and the profile was good enough when he said, this is exactly what we're looking for. And this program I've been hitting on for a long time. But you see, even I like to be honest with y'all about even when I make mistakes, all right? Because I don't know it all. But I have enough expertise to make sure y'all can access 50 to 100,000 in business funding. So look, if y'all need help with that, personal funding, business funding, fix your personal credit, all right? Fix your banking history, which is very, very important. And they don't talk about this shit enough. Contact information is in the bio. Y'all can reach out by phone. Y'all can get on our Telegram Marketplace. We'll talk about that type of stuff. Appreciate everybody tapping into this video. I want everybody to be safe. Enjoy your day. Like, subscribe, hit the notification bell. I want to make sure this type of content reach the mass. Appreciate y'all tapping in. Peace out.